Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. Well, the answer is yes and no. A deportation by itself from another country, other than the U.S., does not affect you. You don't even have to list that on anything. However, it is the reason for the deportation which might be an issue. I would need to know why he was deported from another country. Did it have to do with a crime? Because no matter where in the world one commits a crime, there will need to be proof of what the crime was, what the sentence was, if there was an actual conviction, plea, things like that. And so, if he was deported in another country because of a crime, and that crime makes him inadmissible to the U.S., then yes, it most definitely will affect his ability to come in. Now, that doesn't mean that there might not be a waiver or something, but let's say, for example, he was deported from another country for trying to sell drugs. Okay, I'm not saying he did, I'm just giving you an example. And if that were the case, then selling drugs makes one what's called an aggravated felon inside the United States. And then, even if you're a U.S. citizen and you petition him, there's no waiver for that. So he would have to go to the courts of whatever country he committed that crime and try to get it vacated due to the fact that he would, be an aggravated felon and he needs some way, of course, to get in. Now, let's say that he was deported from another country because he was there illegally. Didn't do any crime, didn't do anything other than he was there illegally. That would have no effect on the U.S. immigration. Okay, the fact that he was in a third country illegally for whatever period of time and was deported from that country has no effect here. So in that case, the answer is yes, it doesn't have any effect. So it really depends on his situation and what he did to get deported from that third country. Okay.